No, I just want to tell you some things. Don't worry.
Hey, make I talk
first.
first. You don't talk. Now make I introduce myself now.
No,
hold on.
No, everybody knows you now.
See, let me tell you something.
Knows you.
Wait.
Okay,
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Make I talk one thing. See,
oh yeah, talk.
I'm not here to come on. Wait. I just want to express myself. Please, let me just.
Oh yeah, let him do. Oh yeah.
You understand? I will try my best to control myself to speak to you guys today. She understand. I will try all my best to speak to you. Yeah, I have a Muslim name. I was brought up as a Muslim. You understand? So many things has happened in my life with this your fucking religion that is not clear to me. I always try my best. Coming on your life.
Daru, Situani, fucking religion, Ori Daru, Ori Reti Daru, Ori Daru.
Abuzina Tori Anabi.
Èmi ń dá mi lórí pé Islam kan ló ní issue pẹ̀lú bóyá àwọn kan ló ti ní issue pẹ̀lú ara yín ló wá fèrò bóyá so in tó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ a máa sọ gbogbo ẹyẹ fẹ́ sọ ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ anybody ìbú ẹ̀sìn kò sẹ́ni tó ṣe pé ìwọ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ sọ má lo àwọn language kan tí ò make sense. You are here, I can see you are bold. Let's keep it rolling then.
Now, interrupt.
You are born as a Muslim. Okay, let's go. Ẹjọ́ ẹja calm fún ẹjọ́ ẹjẹ́ ń fún ní 5 minutes now. You can make your submission within 5 minutes. Just calm down, don't worry. We are not your enemy. So ẹnìkan tó dẹ̀ máa lóhùn mọ̀ ẹ́ ń bíbà ìkó sí so ẹnìyàn fẹ́ parọ́ fún rẹ̀ nìyẹn Islam ìdẹ̀ ṣàbòsí ṣóyé Oya, you have the floor. Let's go. Oya.
Dot, mute mic in sorrow.
Okay.
Just calm down.
Like, have I ever come in your life and see any negative thing? I've never done. There's so many things that I don't understand about the Islam. She understand I was traumatized. There's so many stories that connected to me about Islam. So growing up.
I want it sorted, please. Thank you.
Okay, let me give you something. When I was young, my grandma, that was one of the person I love most in this whole world. Call about for grandma, she understand. So our religion is Muslim. She's so devoted about this religion. You get my point? And she tried all her best for me to be a Muslim. So after I took grandma Miku, I have to, but before my grandma Kotoku, I have to go to man see the kill, she understand. But my experience with the kill as a young boy, up to now, which man fuck with you bring me. She understand. So when I moved to my mommy's place, I start going to the church. The way they attend to me in Sunday school is a different thing. I don't want to go far on that. She understand as a young boy growing up. So this my grandma, I always connect with her that she want me to be a Muslim, but I know they go mosque, I know they go church. She understand. But I just believe that because I'm so connected to the both religion, I'm so connected with Muslim and the Christian. I'm not devoted about it. I'm just on my own. But growing up, there's so many things. This thing is it true about this religion? This thing is it true? Because I always do research a lot. I watch a lot of documentary about ISIS and Al Qaeda. I'm not going to lie to you. I do a lot of research. I study filmmaking. So man, but and when I join you people like, they'll be, these are not the people that are doing this. These are not the people that are doing this. I need a clearer picture. That's why I called the guy that did movie live. What? Only thing about multi-layer metabenzi, again, Lori. And the guy explained to me, it's not like that. And if you listen to the live, I said that. Possible, that's a castle on how come I get on your multi? She understand. So join this live now, I could be shape for me. And one thing I want to say today is that me, I'm not an enemy of Islam. She understand. And one thing I'm saying about this religion, anybody, you people need to soft it a little bit. And not beg you. Don't say you. I know there's one particular voice. The man shape with everybody. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. And then not shape with anybody. Let God fight for himself. Am I with anybody? I'm on your life. Yeah, I'm free to be on your life. I'm listening. I'm learning. Is it that good or bad? I'm learning one or two things. So why demand that for me? Okay, only more Muslim or Dani. Christian or Dani. You don't need all this. I still keep my Muslim name, but today I just feel like, why? You call it a religion of peace. Make it peace for everybody. I'm not care about anybody. What am I shaping for me? I'm not shaping for me now. I'm not shaping for me. No, I'm not shaping for me. I'm not shaping for me. Shall understand? I'm not shaping for me. Baba mi Muslim ni. Shall understand? Don't want to but life one here. I still keep my Muslim name. Not that I go to church, I go to mosque. I'm living my life and I'm living fine. Shall understand? If I say anything, that one, shall understand? I just want you guys to solve this. But that is the main reason why I come on this life. Shall understand? If I go to any other life, join them, listen to them, doesn't mean that I belong to anybody. It's my phone, it's my internet. I've got the freedom to do anything I want to do. You only because shape phone. Mo see what life in Kisopea. In content share you rubbish ni o mo so berry. I bet it gone smoke calling Islam mo dari ni. Instead I have a son that is Islam. Shall understand? Me also pay Islam mo dari. Please, I use God to beg you. I need that shape for me. I just have to come on live to clear my own point. But me, I'm not against Islam. Instead, my grandma was so connected to the religion. That is one of the reasons why I'm trying to learn. Okay, there are so many negative things by Islam. So, I want to someone me go to just pay on Muslim me go. They are not telling me on God so I feel like okay, today I'm learning about the Sufi today, and I'm online as well, checking so many things about it. Yeah, we are as 2026 now. There's so many things you don't understand. You have to go online, learn so many things.
More understand, Baba. Could do for me, I'm already. No problem, no problem. Mr. Q.dot. You know, I want to say any copyright here, Abi, intellectual property in here, Abi.
Yes, now.
Tẹ́nìkan bá wá lọ gbé jáde tó wá claim ẹ̀ pé òun lòun ní. Kí ni reaction yín máa jẹ́ sà?
Nípa ti tèmi o. Èmi máa sọ ọkọ fún yín nígbà tèmi, ṣe understand? Tíyàn bá lo orin mi, mo mọ̀ bí you know a little about me. I will never disturb myself going up and down to go and disturb that person. That is one thing about me. I'll be living by that because
OG intellectual property yín ni. Let's be realistic. Today I'm
at the moment.
Akuma gbọ́ question yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún bí a kí n tún sọ.
Okay, ó yá.
Wọ́n sọ pé bóyá wọ́n lo orin yín o. Ó ní pé òun lòun jẹ́ Q.dot, òun lòun kọ orin yẹn.
That one is different. Kò possible, shall understand? Kò possible.
I don't know possible.
Because you have to use your face. If you say you want to claim my name and my song, there is no way on the process where you need to use your face as well.
Okay, ẹja assume kò ti ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni ẹ ti wá claim ẹ̀ ṣe ẹ máa kọ̀wé kò ní anything that àbí ẹ máa jàfẹ́ tọ́ yín àbó lọ forúkọ yín ṣaburú kan ẹja mú báyẹn sà ó lọ forúkọ yín ṣaburú kan o wọn á náà ń wá yín o so ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ ṣe kí lẹ máa ṣe.
I will try and clear myself now.
Exactly táwa mùsùlùmí ṣe mọ̀ pé tó bá náyàn tẹ́nìyàn bá wá ké kó á jẹun tó náyàn ló tún wá complain àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ fọwọ́ pa ìdá Islam lójú. Then àwọn èèyàn comment ń bí inú àwọn ìbéèrè aláwọ̀kọ́ ni pé wọ́n lè pe ànábì wa lọ́mọ líle wà á bọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn so ìbéèrè tí mo fẹ́ bí yín rèé sà ayẹ̀ tí ìsọ point ẹ̀yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbogbo àná la lọ sílé kéwú gbogbo àná la dẹ̀ lọ sí school kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí ò jìyà school pàápàá jùlọ àwọn àtàwọn public school so àjìyà school àjìyà lè kéwú so ẹni tó fẹ́ kọ́yàn ní kéwú kì í ṣe òun gangan ní kéwú tá a fẹ́ kọ́ yẹn personality oníkálukú yàtọ̀ kò sí bá a fà ṣe lè ya wèrè tó Nàìjíríà tó máa ń náyàn ṣòtìyé tó bá dé UK àrẹ abalẹ̀ ṣòye I'm a teacher here so mo ń pa àwọn èèyàn kéwú ní UK bí àwọn òyìnbó so kò sí kí ló jẹ fẹ́ lẹ́gbàá sí.
UK lẹ́yìn wà bí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Okay ẹ má bínú sáyé sọ one point ẹ má bínú one point ẹ má bínú sáyé sọ kí tó gbàgbé there was the day tí mo wọ mọ́tò njọ́ kan mo wọ Uber ṣẹgẹ maybe from Peckham going to Central London mọ́tò tí mo dẹ̀ wọ̀ tí mo ṣe wọnú mọ́tò ìbá mo fọlọ́ bá mo fi búra fún yín the guy was just mad at me ṣe understand I was so scared.
kí ló lè ṣe.
Mi ò mọ̀ later I was just mo wà interested okay please kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ I want to know ó sọ fún mi pé torí pé orúkọ tí mo fi rúbà òun kò sí Abdul nínú orúkọ mi kí ló dé like imagine nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
kò lè possible àìlò yín ò lè possible wúwà tí mo ti wọlé
ní UK kẹ.
kò possible.
This guy he asked me.
bọ̀bọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí ó ń sọ fún mi pé
kámẹ́rà máa ń wà nù mọ́tò wọn.
ẹ ṣe sùúrù sídókọ̀ ẹja gbọ́ kò rí ìgbà táwọn ayélujára ń kọ̀ fáwọn ẹ̀.
kò ṣe pé bóyá ó bá mi jà o ṣe understand but ó kàn bẹ̀ sí fún mi látìtù mo gbà ó mọ mi èmi náà mọ ẹ rí náà so later I found out the main reason why tó fi ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi ni pé because I don't put Abdul on my name so wọ́n bẹ̀ lọ pé why sí.
kò possible.
èmi sọ fún yín pé ọkọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
kí lorúkọ náà.
mo ń bọ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ pè mí lẹ́yìn ó ní aláṣẹ yẹn ni ò rí pé yẹn so that is it kò yín ò possible sir. ẹ ṣe sùúrù ẹjọ inú experience yín yẹn mo fẹ́ kọ́ share kọ́kọ́ pẹ̀lú wa ni Mr. Q.dot ẹjọ afẹ́kẹ́ share experience yín yẹn inú àwọn kan tẹ̀ ti kà findings tẹ̀ ti ṣe yẹn kí lẹ padà rí tẹ́ fi wò pé Islam ò dáa o àbí kẹ́ fi wò nígbà àwọn research yín yẹn ẹ sọ fún wa ń bì báyìí.
ẹ má bìnrin ṣé mo sọ pé Islam ò dáa ṣe gbọ́ lẹ́nu tó sọ pé.
no àṣẹ ẹlẹ́ ti kà ń pa ẹ̀
mo ní pé mo ń ṣe
ẹ sọ pé ẹ ti kà ń pa ICC kíní kan so afẹ́ wo pọ̀ jẹ́ fẹ́ fàyọ̀ bẹ̀.
mo ní pé mo ń ṣe research on the ISIS on the all this group she understand.
Okay.
So I'm trying to know what's bringing their attitude she understand.
ẹ jọ kí ni outcome result yín sir kí ni outcome research yín rádà kí lẹ padà deduce.
Okay, to my own side, to my own belief, they are Muslim on their own too, but they are different Muslim in Islam as well.
What kind of Muslim are they? Which kind of Muslim are they?
Like,
irú Muslim wo náà jẹ́?
mo